guess we can all agree that there are too many decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and yield farming platforms within the blockchain ecosystem. As such, the primary goal of every new DeFi project is to stand out by all means possible. Now, in the case of Injective Protocol, we have a project that targets the derivatives market with a decentralized and before all scalable approach, and with heavy backing by industry giants like Binance, Pantera, and CMS. So today we have increased our position in Injective with the ticker INJ at around $6, trading at 75% below its all-time high, which could potentially, doesn't sound like a lot, generate 300% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. I would like to point out that my belief is that we will go in the next cycle higher than the previous all-time high. But just remember, everything I say and do should not be considered financial advice, because as you know, in the end of the day, I don't know shit about crypto. Now, just in case that you're new to crypto, well, then let me start off with the obvious. Now is the time to educate yourself. Now is the time to identify the market leaders of tomorrow and pick them up at 50 to 90% below their recent all-time highs. Because it is truly with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects, currently all trading at 50 to 90% below their recent highs. So do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams so that you can become among the 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I'm the host of Crypto Never Sleeps. And as I'm recording this video, the live Injective price today is trading at $6.04. And the current coin market cap ranking is number 70, with a live market cap of almost 500 million, trading at 75% below its all-time high, which was recorded April the 30th, 2021. Injective Protocol is a decentralized derivatives exchange built on Ethereum and supported by Layer 2 solution that helps investors access DeFi markets in a swift and a very secure way. You can also say that Injective Protocol is a fully decentralized exchange protocol for cross-chain margin, perpetual swaps, derivatives, forex, futures, and spot trading. The main aim of the Injective network is to create a free and inclusive decentralized financial market. Moreover, Injective Protocol is permissionless with zero gas fees and very high transaction speed. The Injective chain is an important part of the Injective Protocol, and it is developed in order to support Ethereum consistent DeFi applications. So the Injective Protocol chain is implemented as a Cosmos SDK module built with EVM on Tendermint called Ethermint. So Injective's ecosystem consists of relayers, blockchains, dApps, data, exchanges, NFTs, Oracle, stablecoins, validators, and of course, wallets. I also want to take you through some recent news, especially from 2023. See, this year Injective, they launched a Layer 2 testnet for Solana-based apps in Cosmos. So they released a Layer 2 testnet that utilizes Solana's C-level virtual machine, known as SVM. And this means that some Solana developers, they can now test their apps for use within the Cosmos ecosystem without needing to change the programming language or toolings that they use. Furthermore, Injective, they launched a $150 million ecosystem fund, it's a lot of money, in order to boost DeFi Cosmos adoption. So Injective, they launched this $150 million ecosystem fund in order to support developers building on the Cosmos network. The so-called ecosystem group is backed by a large consortium of venture capital and Web3 firms, including Pantera Capital, Kraken Ventures, Jump Crypto, KuCoin Ventures, Delphi Labs, ITG Capital, Gate Labs, and Flow Traders. So according to the team of Injective, they claim that this consortium is the largest assembled within the broader Cosmos ecosystem. Furthermore, developers selected for the fund, they will receive support through tokens and equity investments, in addition to mentorship, technical assistance, and business development and marketing support. Seabridge integrated Injective to enable cross-chain asset transfer, bringing novel assets from a wide range of Layer 1 and Layer 2 networks into the Injective ecosystem. So with this integration, Injective now has one of the most extensive cross-chain connections among all blockchains within the industry. Remember, it's all about interoperability. So once the Sila integration was complete, Injective was able to integrate a star in order to enable support for the star assets to be bridged through the C bridge. And this integration not only allows native Polkadot assets to integrate with Injective, but also strengthens its position as the primary gateway for cross-chain assets to enter the IBC world. There's also been several exciting announcements from Injective in the past month that I want to run you through. So they integrated Polygon in order to accelerate cross-chain composability. So they launched a groundbreaking integration with Polygon, allowing native assets from Polygon and Injective to be utilized for a diverse era of cross-chain use cases within the two ecosystems. So utilizing a new connection from Wormhole, assets such as Matic and INJ can now be transferred cross-border. In turn, this integration paves the way for increased collaboration, liquidity, and accessibility, benefiting both chains and their respective communities. Furthermore, the leading market data provider, Pyth, is live on the Injective mainnet with over 200 price feeds. As Injective is the only IBC-enabled Layer 1 to integrate Pyth, this integration marks the first for the Cosmos IBC ecosystem to allow users to build with Pyth's low latency pull oracles. And more news, the Open Liquidity Program has launched, bringing unmatched liquidity and capital efficient DeFi into the Injective ecosystem. So the Open Liquidity Program will allow everyday users and institutions to participate in the rapidly growing ecosystem on Injective, while simultaneously earning rewards in the form of ING tokens. So the Open Liquidity Program, or the members, will be able to provide liquidity on Injective's on-chain order book infrastructure in a permissionless manner to attain ING rewards. This is going to start, it just started a few days ago, June the 13th, and 60,000 ING can be earned by eligible participants during each epoch, which means every 28th day period. And finally, before I go, let's look at some future price predictions. And today we got 3 for you. And the first one comes from Wallet Investor. And let me just point out, they're all very optimistic. Wallet Investor, they believe that we're going to see a high in 2023, $13.17, and $43 in 2025. The second one comes from Digital Coin, and they're seeing a high in 2023 of $13.57 and $22.62 in 2025. The third comes from Cryptocurrency Price Prediction, and as you know, they are basing it on fundamentals, and they predict that the price will hit $18.15 in 2023 and $87 in 2025. Before we end, I'd like to give my 2 cents on the dollar. I like Injective Protocol because they are much more advanced. They're targeting institutional clients, and you cannot really compare Injective Protocol with, let's say, the average DEX that we already have, 900 different protocols trying only to market them with, let's say, a shit name. Injective Protocol, I think they have a huge future, especially once we're going to see more broader adoption, and once we're going to see more traditional financial institutions migrate onto the blockchain. Now that's all I got to say about that. Now in case this brought you any kind of value, do me a favor, hit like, smash and subscribe and all them goodies. Come join the live stream. Sometimes they're on and sometimes not. But don't forget, Kitty, she loves you.